The cd command, short for change directory, is one of the most fundamental and frequently used commands in Linux and other Unix-like operating systems. It allows users to navigate through the directory structure of their system, moving from one directory or folder to another. Understanding the directory structure. Before diving into the cd command, it's important to understand how directories are structured in Linux. Root directory, SLA. The topmost directory in Linux is the root directory, denoted by a // Every other directory or file in the system is located within the root directory. Home directory. Each user on a Linux system has a home directory, typically located at /home/username. This is where personal files and directories are stored. Current directory. The directory you are currently working in is referred to as the current directory. Tash, basic usage of cd. The primary function of the cd command is to change the current working directory. Moving to a specific directory. To move to a specific directory, you simply use the cd command followed by the path of the directory you want to move to. The path can be either absolute or relative. Absolute path. This is the full path from the root directory. For example, to navigate to a directory located at /home/username/documents, you would specify the entire path. Relative path. This is the path relative to the current directory. If you are already in /home username and want to move to documents, you only need to specify documents as the path. Moving up one level. To move up one level in the directory hierarchy, you use cd. The D symbol represents the parent directory of the current directory. Hash, moving to the home directory. If you want to return to your home directory from anywhere in the file system, simply use cd with no arguments or cd shosh. The tilde-ish is a shortcut representing the home directory. Advanced navigation. Navigating to the previous directory, Linux remembers the last directory you were in. To return to the previous directory, use cd. This command is particularly useful when you need to switch back and forth between two directories. Combining paths. You can combine dat with other directory names to move up multiple levels and then into a different directory in one step. For example, cd c// some other directory would move up 2 levels and then into some other directory. Working with directory names containing spaces. In Linux, directory names can contain spaces, although this is not common. When using the cd command with such directories, you need to take care to ensure the space is properly handled. This is usually done by enclosing the directory name in quotes or escaping the space. Common pitfalls and tips. 1. Case sensitivity. Linux file paths are case sensitive. This means documents and documents are considered two different directories. 2. Directory doesn't exist. If you attempt to cd into a directory that doesn't exist, you'll get an error message stating that the directory couldn't be found. Double check the path for typos. 3. Tab completion. To avoid typing out long directory names, use the tab key for auto-completion. Start typing the directory name and press tab. Linux will complete the directory name if it's unique or provide a list of possible matches. 4. Getting help. If you need help or a quick reminder about how the cd command works, you can always refer to the man page by typing man cd in the terminal. This provides detailed information